Friends, today I wanted to tell you certain aspects with regard to the recent notification of the Karnataka State Law University with regard to the conducting the online or offline examination by obtaining the opinion of the law students by way of Google online survey. So, as you know, for every law colleges, the university has sent the Google online survey. Here, the students are required to fill up the Google online survey and they have to send it to the colleges, and in turn the college it will give the statistics with regard to the how many students they opt for the online examination or offline examination. So this is the notification we can see under KSLU exam 2020-21/119. So here this survey, here probably majority of the students they don't know with regard to the what is online, what is online. They know with regard to the offline, that is customarily here offline examination is going on now. But why the university has been prompted to collect this sort of the opinion from the student community means here as you know that we are reeling under the COVID-19, and we thought that the COVID-19 it will go and it will come and it will go within a very short span of time, and nobody has expected that means some experts might have predicted that second wave may come. Now we are reeling under the second wave, and here we are. It is not sure that the third wave may come or may not come. So here, if any this sort of the the pandemic situation has been has halted the academic activity, then it will be very much difficult for the any university or any the establishment to conduct its academic activity. No, probably with regard to our Karnataka State Law University, it is very difficult for that means it's not. I don't want to say it is difficult. It is a challenge for the Karnataka State Law University to conduct the examination and valuation, and with regard to the publication of the results in time. So all these things will be there here, and in this way, in this atmosphere, there is a need for there is a demand for the promotion of the certain semesters. So as you know that here this law course is a professional course, and it cannot be promoted simply. It cannot be promoted. But even though it is promoted for one semester, there are other waves are going to come, and it is going to halt the academic activity. So, because with regard to this question only, our Bar Council of India has formulated the committee under the chairmanship of Honorable Justice Mathur with regard to the aspects with regard to the promotion of the students, with regard to the academic quality of the law degrees, and here the committee is going to give its report. Here, as you know that in this context, I want to say that our Honorable High Court of Karnataka has ordered for has given for the promotion of second and fourth semester. But now our university has conducted the examination. It has put into a brave step. It has conducted the examination recently. But only few exams are remaining to be conducted with regard to the 5 years law course. And here in this juncture, now it is our Karnataka State Law University. It is still it could not be able to conduct the valuation. Still valuation itself has not been started. because of lockdown, with regard to the so many problems. So with regard to the lockdown and with regard to the deaths of the second wave, so many deaths, huge what you call deaths has been caused because of the second wave. The second wave of COVID-19 is proved to be a what you call a very dangerous one. So in this video, I am covering, I want to tell you that what is offline one, what is online. Online means, offline means, that is customarily, earlier you are having 100 marks, now you are having 80 marks. So under 80 marks, theory questions will be there, and what you call problematic questions will be there, some what you call some practicals will be there. So if the online examination has been conducted, you should know what is online. You should know with regard to the online. That means you are required to answer the questions in online only. You should have the system, or systems might be provided. That means the colleges may be asked to provide the system. That is not the big task. But it may be, there may be some problems with regard to the colleges also. But here, what is the mode of online? Probably most of the students they misunderstood with regard to the online, because very recently what happened, certain universities, what they have done, they have sent the question paper to the students, and they have asked the students to write the answer and upload in the what you call some email. So that is not the online. In that way, the examination of this professional university, that too our respected Karnataka State Law University, I don't think it will conduct the such sort of the online examination. So, and I feel that being out of what you call experience, I may say that here the customarily we are writing the answers in theoretical way, that to 3 hours. So in that way, it cannot be expected to write to get that in that way the examination has to be conducted, because here that the duration of 3 hours it will be very much it is a heavy one. So that's why there may be changes in that online examination by way of asking the multiple choice questions, by giving the problematic questions. And in this way, the duration of hours will be limited, and here the student has been expected to give the qualitative answer, not the quantitative answer. Here the students' legal knowledge, legal competence, legal reasoning might be what you call, it will be valued. Here the university is asking for the online examination, not online valuation. So that thing we have to know. Here, what I want to put you that, here with regard to the university is collecting the what you call Google online survey. It is making a Google online survey forum. Here, the last date has been fixed, that is 28/6/2021. So here, this is the thing we can see here. You are required to answer the questionnaire. That is your choice of mode of examination, online or offline examination. Then do you have access to computer, and it belongs to you. That means here these customary questions are there. Have internet connection? Does the device have sufficient power backup? Does the device have a front camera or webcam? So examination is conducted online. Do you have sufficient knowledge to operate the device independently? Do you have the necessary typing skills to type the answers in the online examination? Are you well equipped to attend online examination? So this is the forum has been sent to the colleges. No doubt, it is a very progressive what you call work. It is a innovative work. It is innovative aspect. But what I want to put you that this is a very innovative work, and with regard to this one, I feel that only urban students, only the students who are sophisticated, they can have the laptop and they have got the computer literacy. But what about the rural students? What about the Kannada medium students? What about the other students? So they should be uplifted. That means now, if immediately this examination has been conducted in online, what about the students? What about the questions, how they are going to answer? That means if the students now, one more thing is that students now they have been very much they're well aware with regard to this computer literacy. that I don't think there is no student, there will not be very less student who knows with regard to who doesn't know with regard to the operation of the computer. But here, what happens here with regard to what is the thing that what are the required things you should know, that here you are going to vote for the what you call this questionnaire. So this questionnaire will decide the online and offline examination. I am not telling you, I am not for or against with regard to the online or offline. Here here I am telling you what are all the conditions, what is the question today. So this is a progressive step, it is a good step, so that the legal competence, legal knowledge, legal the reasoning of the students will be better analyzed in online examination, and very easily the valuation will be completed and results will be declared. But the student community also should be upgraded to this system. So here this system, if it is my opinion, if this system, if it comes for another 2-3 years in future, it is better. And now here what happens, the student community should be guided in such a way that they should be prepared. They should be prepared in such a way that they can face the examination, they can face the online examination. So it may be rural or urban. Here, this sort of the things are there. At least 1 or 2 years in all the colleges, this sort of the teaching should be done in the form of this providing the students by providing the computers. So I feel I am here. I am not telling anything here. This is because here what is my opinion, that I have got the freedom of speech and expression, and I am for the student community. So that's why I am compelled to say all these things. Here you are going to vote for the students who do not vote. That means here one thing you know, that all the students, they will not go for this questionnaire. So that will be the problematic. That is the apprehension I am having. So that's why one better thing is that the students, you should go for this questionnaire. That is 100%. If you opt for this questionnaire, it is better. That is the best thing you can decide with regard to the deciding your future. If 100% students, if you participate in this questionnaire, then it will be a just and fair thing. Otherwise, what will happen? It will be like our elections. Only some people, they will decide our democracy. On behalf of our democracy, we don't go to the electoral booths. They will decide our future. So this is what is happening. So if you don't go to the electoral booths, we will enjoy the holidays. So what happens? Certain people, they will decide our future by casting the votes. So that's why students, please go for 100%. If you go for this questionnaire, then that will be good. And what I put to you, that please understand with regard to what is the online examination. It is online examination, doesn't mean that some question paper will be sent and answering from the home. Answering from the home, it's not like that. Here, online examination, it has got its own sanctity. So here, online examination means it has got its own sanctity of giving the expectation from the university, because this is a professional course. So in this juncture, now for university also it is difficult, because now suppose the university is going to conduct the examination for the 2nd, 4th, 6th semester of 3 years LLB and consecutively for 5 years LLB. If third wave of the COVID-19 comes, it is also difficult thing. Here, we have not expected this sort of the things. So that's why what is your what I want to say, that please go for 100% opting for the questionnaire answering. And if you go for 100%, then you will come to know. And please understand understand with regard to what is online examination. Online examination, that is, you should not think that you have some discussion with your lecturers, then you go for the online examination. Then it is better. I feel that that is better one, because still you are having some more days, because 28th of this month is the last day. So that's why you decide your future with 100% majority. So if only few students, those who are interested, they may be having a laptop and all those things. But what about the students? They don't have the laptop. And what about the students? They don't have the computer literacy. What about the students where the quality to teaching they don't have? Here, the university, bar council, every particular organization, it's struggling hard. It is imposing so many stringent conditions with regard to the giving the qualitative education. But in spite of that one, the student community, I feel that student community, it needs some more a better teaching and qualitative teaching and active participation from the students. Because as you know, with regard to the LLB, there are two categories of students are there. One category of students, they will study only during the examination, and other category of students, they will study entire semester. So this should not happen with regard to this professional university, with regard to the having the sanctity of our profession, legal profession. That's why, students, I feel to say certain my expressions with regard to this aspect. Please go for 100% voting with regard to this questionnaire, opting for the questionnaire, and please know something with regard to the online. Then you answer for this one. Now what I feel that the most of the students they are in the hurried way of answering these things. So this is with regard to the the questionnaire aspect, and also with regard to the aspects with regard to the recent survey. So in this way, there will be the colleges has to send the reply to the university. That means questions, total number of students, yes or no, and with regard to the if yes is no, and remarks. So in this way, the online survey has been conducted. That means here I am not against this of the online survey. It is a very good progressive thing, but the student community should know what is their how their future has to be decided, how the things has to be go on. So this is a few words with regard to the Google online survey.